Welcome back to VA Development, and this is our fourth tutorial, and this tutorial is going to be about strings. We are going to learn about strings in PHP 7. So, alright, let's see. Let's start by writing what does a string mean. So, excuse me. A string is a series of characters that can be stored in a variable. One more time, a string is a series of characters that can be stored in a variable. In PHP, strings are often delimited by single quotes as in this. I will show you guys an example soon. Delimited means basically like the boundaries of. So example should be so for example we have example as variable a equals hello. This is a string and it's in a single quote. This is our variable. PHP, remember this, PHP has two string operators. One, the dot symbol, and the other one will be a assignment operator, which is a dot and an equal sign. So dot symbol, that's right, dot symbol, let me comment this. So we want dot symbol is known as concatenation operator, which is this, the dot. Basically, what does the dot symbol do? Basically, it combines two strings into one. I will show you guys an example soon. And assignment operator, which is this, a dot and an equal sign. It appends the right hand string to the left hand string variable. Alright, I'm gonna show you guys an example. So as for over here, we just got a variable a which says hello, right? So let's choose a new variable, call it as b, and we want to say variable a dot, we are using a dot symbol, and a single quote, and we'll say YouTube. This will print out hello YouTube, right? See, because we are getting dot one, and dot symbol is a concatenation operator that combines two strings into one. And so after that, so we get a new variable. So basically we just combine two strings variable. So we got two variables, right? So we got a new variable. We want to equal this new variable to just combine into a normal string. So we say, what is variable a? Variable a, we have hello, and we use the dot operator, the dot symbol, which combines two strings into one. So a is hello, and we just want to put it and just finish the sentence. Basically, we just write YouTube, and it will print out hello YouTube. Another case, and then if you guys want to use the assignment operator, which appends the right hand side string to the left hand string variable. So in this case, you guys can do a dot equals, you use the assignment operator, dot equals YouTube. Basically, yeah, you just use a, because you guys already put this, right? So you guys use what is angle variable a, it should be hello, use a dot symbol. No, not the dot symbol, the assignment operator, and you just print YouTube. Hello, YouTube. As I said earlier, delimiting strings, right? Delimiting strings. So PHP strings can be delimited in 4 different ways. Yes, there are 2 common notations, which is the double quotes, which is this, and a single quote, which is this. And then the difference between them is that the variables are not parsed in a single quoted strings, whereas they are parsed in double quoted strings. They are not parsed. They are only parsed in double quoted strings, not a single quote. I will show you guys an example. So assume you guys have a variable as C, and you want to type in YouTube. And you want to print it out, you say echo hello C. This will print out hello YouTube, right? Let's go to our browser for a sec. Let's see. There you go. It says hello YouTube. Next, if you want to do something like this, echo with a single quote, right? See? Because earlier I told you guys it only can parse in double quote, right? So this is double quotes, and it print out hello YouTube. And then let's comment this out for a sec, and let's use a single quote, which it says hello variable C, which will be YouTube. Let's put this here. Okay, let's Control S or Command S to save, and let's reload. Did it print out YouTube? No, it just print out the variable. It just print out the variable, the $sign the variable. So it is not parsed. It is only parsed in double quotes. Excuse me, guys. So let's write this is parsed. Only works in double quotes. Not parsed. Alright, so let's reload again. Hello YouTube. There you go. Okay, so the single quoted strings tend to be preferred unless parsing is desired. That highlights that no parsing takes place. However, double quoted strings are considered easier to read. Yes, I assume this is easier to read than a single quote, and the important thing is to be consistent. In addition to a single quote, which is this, in addition to single quoted and double quoted strings, there are 2 more notations. The 2 notations are herodoc and nowdoc. So the herodoc syntax consists of the 3 arrows operator followed by an identifier and a new line. The string is then included followed by a new line containing the identifier to close a string. Variables are parsed inside a heterodox string. just as with a double quote strings. So let's show you an example of a heterodox syntax. Okay, so yeah. So this is just how you write in heterodox syntax. You just create a new variable basically. You initialize the variable and use the 3-arrow operator and you call it label or whatever you want. Basically label or title or something. And you just write your label or your title or whatever you want. You say heterodox with parsing and you just close the label. With just normal label, whatever you have wrote in here, and just close it with a semicolon. Alright, now now the next one, the second notation will be nowdoc. The syntax for the nowdoc string is the same as the heterodoc string, except that the initial identifier is enclosed as a single quote. Variables are not parsed inside nowdoc. Remember I told you guys over here, if you guys use a because see, it's only parsed only in the double quotes. It's not parsed in the single quotes. Same with the notations. So, uh, let's comment so you guys can have it. Nowdoc string is the same as the heterodoc string, except that the string, except that the initial identifier is enclosed in a single quote. The variables are not parsed inside a nowdoc string. Let's comment this out. I'll show you guys an example. So again, you assume you got a variable. So you guys use a variable v. Use that, the operator, heterodox operator, and use a single quote, which you say label. See, all of a sudden it just closes it for you. So now you say nowdoc without parsing. Choose a single. That is all. Okay.